Welcome to our channel. So watch this video from the beginning to ending without skipping, and share this video to your friends, and we are providing the information to the students with the detailed practical knowledge. So our main aim is providing the quality of education to the students. So today our topic is tokens in C language. So it is very important topic. So before going to develop any program in C language, first of all we should know what are the elements are used to write the program. Okay, let us start with tokens. So token is nothing but smallest individual units within a program is called as a token. Means small parts within a program is called as a tokens. And tokens are classified as a 6 types. These are keywords, identifiers, constants, operators, and special symbols, strings. Once again I am repeating: keywords, identifiers, constants, operators, special symbols, and strings. Okay, let us start from the first one with the detailed information. Keywords. First one is keywords. These are also called as a reserved words, and these are already having the fixed meaning, and these meanings will not be changed. And the keywords must be written in lowercase letters only. These are used to implement the features of C language. So keywords are also called as a reserved words, and these are having the predefined meaning, and this cannot be changed, and the keywords must be written in lowercase only, and these are used, that is keywords are used to implement the features of C language. Examples are int, float, double, long, char, main. So next one is a identifier. An identifier refers to the name of the variables, functions, arrays, and these are identified by the user. Once again I am repeating the definition. Identifier refers to the name of the variables, comma, functions, and arrays, and these are identified by the user. So before using identifier, first of all we should keep in mind the rules of the identifiers. So identifier first character must be an alphabet or underscore. Identifier must be starts with an alphabet or underscore. Second point, it contains only letters, digits, or underscore. Third one, only first 31 characters are significant, means identified. So cannot use keywords as an identifier, and identifier should not contain the blank spaces, that is white spaces between the names. So next topic is constants. So constants refers to the fixed value of the fixed value, and these values do not be changed during the execution of a program. C language supports basically two types of fixed values, that is constants, numeric constant and character constant. Numeric constant again classified as a two types: integer constant, real constant. So in integer constant contains three types of constants: decimal constant, octal constant, hexadecimal constant. In decimal constant contains the numbers from 0 to 9, and it is followed by the plus or minus sign. Next, octal constant. So octal constant contains the numbers 0 to 7, and it is followed by the or preceded by the O, that is 0. Next, hexadecimal constant. Hexa means 16. So hexadecimal constant contains the numbers 0 to 9 and A to F characters, and it is followed by the OX. So next, character constant. Second category is character constant. So again it is classified as two types: single character constant, string constant. In single character constant encoded with a single quotation mark, string constant contains the group of characters encoded with a double quotation mark. So once again I am repeating, integer constants classified as a three types. It refers to the sequence of digits. Integer constants refers to the sequence of digits and classified as a three types. Decimal integers contains the 0 to 9 numbers and followed by the plus or minus sign. Octal constant contains the numbers 0 to 7 and it is leading with a 0. Example is like this: hexadecimal constant contains 0 to 9 digits and A to F characters, and it is preceded by the OX. Real constants. So real constants are used to represent the numbers with a fractional part like this. Next, character constant. So character constant contains single character, either it may be a character or number, which can be represented by using single quotation mark. Next one, string constant. It is a sequence of characters enclosed with a double quotation mark. Okay, this is regarding constant. Next one is operators. Within a tokens operator. An operator is a symbol that tells to the computer to perform specific operands on values. Examples are plus, minus, asterisk, etc. So strings. String is nothing but it is a group of characters and terminated by a null character. So this is regarding tokens in C language. Oh, sorry, not tokens. Const. So once again I am repeating the tokens. Smallest individual units within a program is called as a token. C language supports 6 types of tokens. These are keywords, identifiers, constants, operators, special symbols, and strings. Keywords are nothing but reserved words. These are used to implement the features of C language. Identifiers are nothing but name given to the variables, arrays, and functions. While giving identifier, you must follow the rules. First character must be starts with an alphabet or underscore, and keywords should not be used as an identifier. White spaces should not be given within an identifier. Next one is constant. Constant refers to the fixed value, and these values should not be changed during the execution of a program. So constants are classified as two types: numeric and character. Numeric again classified as two types: integer and float or real constant. Integer constant classified as three types: decimal, octal, hexadecimal. And character constant classified as two types: string and single character constant. Next, operators are symbol used to perform different types of operations on values, and special symbols are used to write the program. Strings are nothing but a group of characters. Okay, thank you for watching. Share. In tokens, one topic is missed, that is special symbols. So special symbols generally used to write the program. So like opening brace, closing brace, opening bracket, closing bracket, and the floor bracket, that is opening square bracket, closing square bracket, etc. So once again I am repeating, some special symbols are used to write the program within a C language. Like examples are like this. Okay, thank you.